In this video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to create TikTok account without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are pretty new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. With that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to create TikTok account. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we head over to our Play Store right here. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store. You can click on here. I haven't opened up the Play Store. Next thing I'm going to do is to make use of search engine right here, and I'm going to type in TikTok. Then search. What I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on install. After a successful download the TikTok app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on open right here. Then at this point here, click on agree and continue. Then make sure you click on allow. Then right here, you need to choose your area of interest. So you have to select from all these options right here. So I'm going to select from entertainment and culture. And I'm going to select something like art satisfying, homes and getting, auto and vehicle, dancing, daily life, beauty style, music, food and drinks and sports. Then right here, click on next, then click on start watching. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your profile right here. Click on profile. After you click on profile, it takes you right here. Now you can sign up about 4 different ways. You can use your phone number or email address. You can use your Facebook to sign up on your TikTok account, or use your Google or use your Twitter account. So right here, I'm going to make use of my phone number. So I'm going to click on the options of phone number. Right here, I will enter my phone number. Okay. Then after entering my phone number, next thing I want to do is to make sure I click on send code. Then I'm going to enter the code straight up, 8948. Then right here, you have to set your date of birth. Then click on next. Then you have to set your password, your login password. Then click on next. Then you have to set your nickname right here. Then click on confirm. Then click on allow. Then you are done. So you will be present with some of your friends on TikTok already. Just what you need to do is to follow them, or you click on here to close the pop-up. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your profile. So right here, you can see the profile. So under the profile section, what are the things you can do right here? So your post is going to be found right here, okay? And then you can come to the top right here. You have profile picture. You can also use this button to share your profile to your friends. You can also use edit profile right here. If you want to edit anything on your profile, just click on there and then you can edit, such as your username. You can edit your username, and if you are satisfied with the one there, then just go back and you can edit your name. This is your TikTok URL right here. You can add your profile description. Those are the things you can do under the edit profile. Your number of following is going to be far right here. Right here is the total number of your followers, the number of likes you got so far on TikTok, and at the bottom right here, this button right here allow you to create TikTok video. And right here, you search for friends. Right here, you check your inbox or DM or what have you. So by click on the 3 dots at the top right here, this allow you to check on creator tools. You can use creator tools. You can use QR code, settings and privacy. Under the settings and privacy, what are the things you can do here? You can turn on the authentication factor right here. You can work on your account security from these options right here. So this is what you have to do when you are able to create your account successful on your TikTok. You can come down below right here and sign out, or you log out your TikTok account if you want to sign out. So let's quickly go back. So with this, I'm very sure you should be able to create your TikTok account and see how you can actually make use of TikTok to grow your business or to grow your followers, etc. So in my next video, I'm going to show you a lot of things about how you can eventually use this TikTok to grow your social media presence and to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.